Imagine getting paid just to watch ads on your phone. Sounds fake, right? But what if I told you that there are real platforms that actually pay, even if it is small? Today, I will show you how it works, which websites to use, and the truth most people will not tell you. Many people in Pakistan and around the world are searching for easy ways to earn online. Students, part-time workers, even beginners with no skills try these methods. But the biggest problem is most videos lie and show big earnings while people make very little or nothing. So in this video, I will keep it 100% real with you. So how does earning by watching ads actually work? Companies want people to watch their ads and interact with them, so they partner with reward platforms. These platforms pay you small amounts for watching ads, clicking ads, doing small tasks, and taking surveys. Each task pays a few cents, but if you stay consistent, it adds up over time. Now let's talk about some platforms you can try. TimeBucks is one of the most popular sites for watching ads and tasks. Ysense offers ad surveys and small jobs. NeoBux is an older platform focused on paid ads. Most of these are free to join, never pay to sign up. Here is exactly what you need to do. Sign up using your email. Complete your profile. Go to the tasks or ads section. Start watching ads or clicking tasks. Earn small amounts per task. Once you reach the minimum payout, you can withdraw through PayPal crypto or gift cards. Now, let me be honest with you. This is not a get rich quick method. You will not make thousands from this. Most people earn $1 to $5 per day if consistent, and maybe $30 to $100 per month. But for beginners, it is a good starting point. If you want to increase your earnings, do this. Use multiple platforms at the same time. Work daily for at least 30 to 60 minutes. Use referral programs and invite friends. Referrals can actually double your income. Be careful of scams. Never trust websites asking for money to join or claiming. You will earn $100 per day watching ads or fake apps with no payment proof. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. If you really want to earn more online, learn a simple skill like freelancing, video editing, subtitle making, or Canva design. These skills can make you much more money than watching ads. So yes, you can earn money by watching ads, but keep your expectations realistic. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more real online earning methods. And comment below, do you want a video on freelancing or passive income? Bonus tip, since you already offer subtitle services, you can also turn this topic into multiple videos. Add your Fiverr link in description and get clients from your audience.